Hey guys, welcome back. And I wanted to show you guys this. I've been seeing them on YouTube. You get them from Amazon, but I noticed our local Walmart starting to carry them as well. But this looks like a neat little cooker for eggs. And you can either boil the eggs or you can use the other little trays and poach and things like that. It comes with this nice little booklet. Okay, it shows you a basic little get cooking option here, doing the basic boiling. Then there is this little cookbook that comes with it as well. Here's the little tray that's divided, but then there's also, of course, this one. Alright, this is for your omelets and poached eggs. Okay, so it holds 6 eggs. That's how many we're going to be doing. Okay, as you can see over here, it has your number of eggs and then the cooking time. So 4 to 6 hard boiled is what I'm going for. It's going to take about 16 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and get those eggs. Okay guys, I am getting ready to pour the water in here. And I'm not sure if you can see how it is measured off on the sides, but it does say, you know, the soft and medium and then hard boiled eggs. So I want to put that much water in mine. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. Okay, and the water just gets poured right into the plate. Now the bottom of this comes off and there's a little needle type thing in there. Okay, we're going to use that. Okay, so as you can see here, in the large end of the egg, we're going to puncture each egg before we put it in. Okay. Okay, you can see the hole, and the hole is going to point upwards. And now we're just going to put the lid on. You'll see these little edges will pop right under this. That locks it into place. Now we want to go ahead and plug it in. We're just going to reach down here and hit the power. We're going to give that 16 minutes. There's our alarm. Now you can just push the power button to stop that. And then remove the lid. Everything is very hot, obviously, right? So I'm going to use tongs and lift the eggs out and put them into some iced water. And go ahead and unplug that so it can be cooling off. But a tip from the book did say that is hot. Let it cool before you try to take the tray out and clean it or anything like that. Okay, while we are working with hard-boiled eggs, I've been seeing some videos on easy peel eggs. One is to put a little bit of water in the bottom of a jar, drop the egg in, put the lid on, and then shake it. May not need the spoon for this. And then just start peeling it off. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's go ahead and cut this one open and see if we are at a hard-boiled egg. There we go. Now, I like mine a little more done. The book did say if it was not completely hard-boiled, to leave it in the basket after the timer goes off and you turn it off. Leave it covered in the basket for an additional 1 minute. So I will probably do that going forward. Another way that I saw to peel an egg, let's grab another. Was to get this out of the way. Tap each end and then start rolling it. Oh, that just kind of came apart. That one is a fail, I say. And then once it's crushed and ready to peel, another tip was use your spoon and tuck it under and just kind of slide it around. Now I like that way. That's much smoother. The other way where I was picking it and pulling it, I was leaving little divots in the egg. The spoon is a very smooth way to take the peel off. So just wanted to share that too since I was doing it. But anyway, guys, I like this little gadget. It's not expensive at all. The brand I bought was Dash. I got mine from Amazon, less than $20. And another little item that would make a neat gift for anybody with the holidays coming up. But also just for yourself, if you do deviled eggs or just like boiled eggs at Easter, it would be handy. So definitely a nice little gadget. I'm glad I got it. Just a learning curve on this one. And hopefully you can learn from my mistake if you prefer your eggs more cooked than that. We want to leave them in an extra minute, maybe 2. Alright guys, hope you have a great week this week, and I'll see you next week.